Welcome to the video. I'm gonna show you a secret method that I figured out myself. It's how do you make fast progress even as a busy person. Of course, you could have a whole mentor, but let's say you never had a whole teacher that could help you and you're just by yourself on this learning journey. Well, I'll tell you this right here. You'll be way faster compared to everyone else if you just do this one secret method. All right? And I understand you have other deadlines that you have to achieve. You have to probably cook. You got other busy activities that you have to fulfill. But if you're trying to learn the guitar, if you just learn this one key thing, your life will be so much easier. And it's called being consistent. And I know, but it's a topic that many people don't really talk about. And actually me, I wasn't consistent, especially on YouTube and content, stuff like that. But let me tell you a story. So I literally got this job and that completely ruined my whole schedule with producing content. And now I haven't posted content for the whole 3 weeks. And I was trying to get back into it, but literally it was completely hard for me. And I'm a consistent person. I'm really consistent, but it was just completely hard for me. But I figured it out. I figured out how you could be consistent as well. And it's with this thing, it's called an easy push button. You know how these cars have buttons, you can just press them start? It's that easy to start. And that's when I realized, oh shoot, I wasn't making it easy for myself. I was literally not making it easy at all. The hardest thing for someone to start learning guitar is just starting. If you could just make it as easy as possible, just for you to start learning guitar, you're gonna win. I don't care what you have to do. Easy strategy that you could do, keep your guitar in your room. Keep it in your room. That's one of the easiest things you could do. Keep it out of your case. Don't keep it in the closet. Make it as easy as possible for you to start. The distractions. Keep the distractions away from you, because that's another thing that makes it hard for you to start. All you need to do is play for 5-10 minutes. If you got that out the way, you're good. An easy app that has literally helped me out is an app called Streaks. I paid $5 for it, but it literally helped me stay consistent. One of the best apps I ever buy. I don't know. I personally didn't think it was gonna help me out, but it did. I was like, what? I'm consistent now? I was like, oh wow. So make it as easy as possible for you to start. Just like a push start button in a car. And if you got that method, solid. You're solid. So don't just watch this video, but actually do it. Because now you're gonna be 10 times better than everyone else. Because that's the part where most people quit. Thinking about it, this doesn't just apply to the guitar, but it applies to other aspects in life. So if you could get this one part done, your success is gonna be through the roof. And hopefully you took notes. And I'll see you in the next video.